Ni gochinga kiecha bwatani beserekani kurase county ya Nyamira bakoragwa no county commissioner kurase nsemeyo Michael Lesman nigomerana amona bwatani bande aseganga yo kwanda enchira bero beretia sobo cholyo bonene bole bosio muri keito kurase county ya Nyamira job mange na robochi kurase enchira yobo ikeranu Ekero emechie nyemeke echigarete gocha sobo cholyo bonene lichuko lyarero ime county ya Nyamira ababwatani aomba umerana kurubeya igoro yobo choli obonene.
Today it was basically it was formation of a committee, and it was a date such that we will have to know each other. We'll be meeting after every month, every 30 days we'll be meeting, and we'll review the issues that we have talked.
Omo commissioner we county ya Nyamira Lesima Michael nagikelia chibura buru chabeire aseme kutano ya siasa.
Today we have talked one important issue. In this region particularly, we have had some hecklers in every political meeting. We have had some hecklers, some booing. There is a lot of competition between our political leaders. So at times they hire some border operators or some guys from somewhere just to heckle their opponents. So at least we have concluded that.
Nate bambali gochigwantera abasaye gotume kwa bobe naende mbachikoirera ege chambokero onde bwensi ole nama mocho.
Wana watu wakitiwa mbaroni. In fact, here I have 15 names of those who are being used, those who are being bought with little useless money to go and heckle our other politicians or opponents of their patrons. And they are the same people, they are not very many. So we are going to deal with them.
Ababwatani bande mbate bambachikoralia omorembe anene mono ekerogie chinga kiechi chiobo choli obonene.
Ndio maana nikasema nyumba zetu isije ikawa inasimamiwa na watchman ama tutafute polisi kusimamia. Ni mimi na wewe ndio security.
Hatuna nchi nyingine japokuwa hii Kenya. So ni wajibu wetu sisi wote kuchunga hii nchi, tuilinde, tuitunze kwa sababu hakuna mahali nyingine tunaenda.
Council members, we have already taken action, and this is we will bring it to our notice, your office. We must completely stop transporting youths from one place to another with the intention of causing chaos.
Ensemo ya matemu a KCP ayua chagete igoro Lesima Michael nate bamba chagete buya naende mbaranyora bakungu bonde bonsi.
We have candidates in the primary school 18,823. In the secondary we have 15,124. And up to now as I talk with you, the exam is going on very well. And we are very happy for those teams which are in the ground, which are in the sub-counties.
Kurase county ya Nyamira, ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV, editoriane Job Maangi.